Okay. Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome back to another episode of Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about multiplying polynomials, answering the question, what is the product of 3x plus 7 and 2x squared minus 3x minus 7? So in this question, we're going to perform multiplication based on the word product. So when we encounter the word product, we're going to multiply a certain polynomial to another polynomial. So this question will be translated as 3x plus 7 multiplied to 2x squared minus 3x minus 7. So we're performing multiplication of polynomials. And when we multiply polynomials, we multiply each term of our first group to the terms of the second group. Or in short, we will use the distributive property. So let's proceed to our solution. So first, we will multiply the first term of our first group, which is 3x, to each term of our second group. So 3x times 2x squared. When we multiply, coefficient times coefficient, variable by variable. So 3 times 2, 6, and then x times x squared. We have to copy the variable and then add the exponent. So the exponent of x here is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So their product will be 6x cubed. Next, let's proceed to our first term, 3x times negative 3x. So coefficient 3 times negative 3, that will be negative 9. Then x times x, so copy the variable and then add the exponent. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so their product is negative 9x squared. Next, let's proceed to our first term and third term of our second group. So 3x times negative 7. So 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. And then we will just copy the variable x. Okay, now we're done with our first term. Let's proceed to the second term of our first group, which is positive 7 multiplied to each term of our second group. So 7 times 2x squared. So that will give us positive 14x squared. And we will place this below negative 9x squared because they have the same term. So 14x squared. Okay, next let's multiply positive 7 and negative 3x. So 7 times negative 3, that will give us negative 21. So we have here negative 21, then copy the variable x. Okay, and last one, we have positive 7 times negative 7, that will be negative 49. And then after applying the distributive property, or after distributing each term of our first term to each term of our second term, we will now proceed to combining like terms. So we will perform addition. So let's start first with 6x cubed. So since it doesn't have any partner, we will bring down 6x cubed. Next is negative 9x squared plus 14x squared. So negative 9 plus 14, since they have different sign, we will copy the sign of the larger number, which is positive, and then subtract 14 minus 9. That will give us 5. So 5, then copy the variable and its exponent 2. So 5x squared. Okay, next, negative 21x plus negative 21x. Since they have the same sign, we will copy the sign and then add 21 and 20. Give us 42. Okay, 42. Then copy the variable x. Then last one, negative 49. Since it doesn't have any partner, we will just bring down negative 49. Okay, and that's it. The product of these two polynomials is 6x cubed plus 5x squared minus 42x minus 49. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.